Amanda Butler. I've got a yard in Brinsworth where we have show ponies to general riding ponies of our own, and I work closely with Doncaster Equine College regarding training of their students, work experience students. We look after the ponies to a high standard. The students are taught how to maintain good routine, good feed values, how to maintain the ponies well, look for ill health, and basically keep a really good standard on the yard. Safety standards are high. The ponies go out showing to a high standard. The students have to work to a high standard because the day-to-day care of the ponies is what brings the ponies out in the show ring to look well. They're out there, they're doing, and they look well. All the students that are coming from Equine College continue to learn what they do already at the college in a work-based environment, overseen by myself. I'm a BHSAI, a freelance instructor, and show myself. So the continued learning, the continued discipline that they get seems to work well with the course that they're doing at college. We're also very grateful that the students are sent to ourselves because they assist us to care for the ponies to the top standard that we expect and demand. I would encourage anybody to go down this route with Doncaster Equine College and to pursue the dreams, and if it's what they want to do and they want to work with horses, go down the correct routes so that they get taught correctly, they're taught the correct way, and have extremely high standards, which is what we all really are trying to achieve.